we have an 8 series lockable box. Here we're going to have an 8 series shelving bay that has been pre-assembled. I will be showing you how to install this 8 series lockable box to the 8 series bay. Firstly, you need to determine how high you would like to go. For this exercise I'll go somewhere around halfway, so you may find that you have these plastic lugs that have been provided with the shelving bays. That's what this is for. I will pick a spot halfway, put one of them in, and then I will count 2, 4, 16, 18. So I'll repeat it on the 18th hole to match. 2, 4, 16, 18. And then 18. So what this does is it gives me a little bit of stability when I'm installing this box. So always have the RolaCase facing upwards. This door always locks downwards. As you can see, we have some perforated holes on the side. They will match up with the perforated holes inside here. So it's just a matter of locking the box, grabbing the box, and inserting it in like so, carefully. It should slip right in. Then those plastic lugs that I've fitted should hold it up. This is loose, it's just to hold it up. The next step is to secure the lockable box with 8 series bay. Simply opening the door and determining how far in or out you would like to go. I go as far back against the pillar as I can without actually touching it. It gives me more room to work with inside the van, and then going to the nearest hole to that. So that's the first hole, and I'll do it loose. I'll then come and rock it forward into the second hole. There we are. I usually put at least 4 screws per face or per side. Repeat the process for the other one. So that's the second post. Remember, always loose until the very end. That's the fourth one, so the fourth one is tight, and then I'll go through and tighten it. I'll now repeat the process on the left hand side. Okay, there are the holes that I need. Start off with one. That's secure. Check to see if it locks. Perfect. That concludes installation.